Welcome in computer learning series, that is Swagatam. In the computer learning series, that is learning computer with seeing the beautiful sights of Indian village. And in the previous lecture we saw we discussed about software requirements for audio, hardware requirements for audio and animation technology. Now in this video we see and talk about video. So let us start our learning series, that is learning computer after seeing the beautiful sights of Indian village. And like animation, computer video deals with tools and technology for recording and displaying a sequence of image, also called frames, at a reasonable speed to create an impression of motion. For jerk-free full motion video, the display device must display about 25 to 30 frames per second. Like animation, video is also an important component of multimedia application because it is useful for illustrating concepts that involve movement. Although both animation and video deal with display of a sequence of image or frames to generate an effect of motion, video deals with recording of real life events with a video recording device such as digital video recorder. Here I am also recording real life situation, that is I am showing you the beautiful sights of Indian village, and there is a tower, and in this village uh, in France or in the town France, there is only one tower called Eiffel Tower, but in this village there are 21 towers, and so this village is recorded as the in Guinness Book as a tower of village, because in this village there are about 21 towers. Now come to the point. Like animation, video is also an important component of multimedia application because it is useful for illustrating concept that involves movement. Although both animation and video deal with display of a sequence of image called frames to generate an effect of motion, video deals with recording of real life events with a video recording device such as digital video recorder. And like animation data, video data also requires large storage space and needs to meet real-time constraints on retrieval, delivery and display. Hence, multimedia computer system use digital video compression techniques to reduce storage requirement for storing video data. Now we see the analog and digital video. Video information travels in natural medium in the form of light waves that are analog in nature. To enable a computer to deal with video information, a device must convert light waves from analog to digital form. Video camera is a transducer that converts light waves to electrical signals, and monitor is a transducer that converts electrical signals to light waves. Like audio in a case of video, also analog to digital and digital to analog converters perform transformation between analog and digital video signals. So I think you are enjoying my video, that is learning computer with seeing the beautiful greenery, nice, attractive sights of Bharatiya or Indian village. Here you find several types of greenery sites in this village. and some Hollywood producer are planning or director are planning to shoot their movie in this village. So if you want to tour any place, then I request you to come in this village and tour this greenery sites. Now next, see the some hardware requirements for video. Modern computer uses the following hardware devices for video processing capabilities, like a video camera as an input device for capturing video data, a video board or video card with analog to digital and digital to analog converters, and connectors for video camera and video monitor. Video camera, video monitor and video board must be compatible with each other. A video monitor, TV or computer monitor, as output device for displaying video data. Video editor to cut and paste video sequence and add a special effects, create new video sequences from existing video sequences. They also enable superimposing of text and audio on video sequence. So these are the hardware requirements for a video. Now there are also software requirements for video. So let's see the software requirements of these videos. And I think you are enjoying my video. So software requirements for videos are like video clips, video clips is a library of video, short video or medium video. A user can import a video clip directly from this library for use in a multimedia application. It saves a lot of time and effort that the user might require otherwise to create or search a similar video clip. A video clips library often provides facilities to add a new video clip or delete an existing video clip from the library. And next software requirement for video is recording and playback capability. Recording and playback capabilities. It enables user to control recording and display a video sequence. For example, it provides option to pause and replay a video sequence. Now there are multiple use of multimedia applications, and we see it. What are they? Capability of modern computers to handle different types of media make them suitable for a variety of applications and users. We describe some multimedia applications to enable readers or listeners or viewers to appreciate the power of multimedia and visualize its other application. And today is the day of Goddess Saraswati, so I like to pray Goddess Saraswati, that Om Saraswati Deviyai Namah. And you see her in the background, the music of praying the Goddess Saraswati is running, because students and teachers and in schools, Goddess Saraswati is worshipped in this village or in nearby village also, or in this country. Now see the application of multimedia, that is multimedia. First its application is multimedia books and e-books. Multimedia books use audio, animation and video to enrich text and still image of printed books and provide better understanding of the subject matter. They also provides a variety of search mechanisms to enable a user to search fast quickly. Due to this reason, several reference books such as dictionary, telephone directory, encyclopedia, etc. are now available on CD-ROMs, which allow users to access the information they need quickly. Today, Today, many journals, magazines, newspapers, and product manuals are available in electronic form, which enable users to access and print only the articles or portions of their interest. E-book is an extension of this idea, in which an online bookshop makes a book's contents available in soft copy form for interested users to buy its soft copy. Now the digital library. We see a brief descriptions of this digital library. A digital library is a repository of large information in digital form, allows multiple users to search and access information of their interest from it. Such a library being virtual in nature because it stores the book only in soft copy form and not physically, remains open round the clock, allowing users to access information from it at their own convenient time. With remote connectivity to the digital library server computer, there is no need for a user to physically come to the library for using it. This overcomes the distance and time limitation of conventional library. So next we see the multimedia presentation. Multimedia presentation application can present information in a variety of forms like text, graphic, video, animation, audio, involving use of our multiple senses. Hence, multimedia presentation can explain a subject matter more effectively than conventional presentation to an audience because it enhances a person's comprehension capability. It is extremely effective in getting across new ideas and concept. Moreover, it helps in making a presentation more interesting and has inevitable effect of grabbing and holding person's attention. The next application of multimedia is learning foreign language learning. Using a book for learning a foreign language is difficult because the learner is not sure how to pronounce words written in textual form. Such a book often has an accompanying audio tape to solve this problem, but it is inconvenient for a learner to keep rewinding the tape to find a specific information. Moreover, the learner does not have flexibility to hear pronunciations of a specific word quickly. Using a multimedia program that incorporates text and sounds, a learner can see the words and phrases on a screen as the program pronounces them. The learner also has flexibility to request the computer to pronounce any word by selecting that word on a screen or by clicking over it. This program may have an additional feature to assist in faster learning process. That is, the program may allow a learner to point to a word phrase on a screen to display a translation for it in her native language. So this is the usefulness of multimedia application in learning foreign language. Now, next use of multimedia application is video games. Now with the advent of multimedia, there has been a boom in the different types of video games available on computer systems. Sound and animation help in making these games thrilling and existing for users. Moreover, many of these games support high degree of interactivity because they can change the sequence of events depending on action of a player. Next use of or application of multimedia is special effects in movies. Several movies now contain many computer generated visual text. For example, like Hindi movie like Chris Chachi 420 used computer graphics techniques and called morphing to show transformation of the hero from man to woman or etc. The English movie like Jurassic Park, Captain America, Spider-Man, etc. Uh, used multimedia technology to make picture elegant. And in Jurassic Park shows a dinosaur as a living creature, although they no more exist, and it was done by using multimedia technology. Similarly, a number of successful movies like Chris, Bhoot, Titanic, Star Wars, Superman, Spider-Man, etc., Captain America, and several movies have used multimedia technology for showing special effects in their movie. Next use of multimedia technology is animation film. Computerized animation and coloring have given a new life to animation film industry. For conventional animation films, artists created animation by using hand drawing techniques, which was a tedious and time consuming process. Because of hand drawing, quality of animation was also not good. Using computer programs based on precise mathematical laws of physics, animators can now create animations that are far more realistic than before. Moreover, with computerized animation facilities, an animator can now create in a few hours what an artist took days to create with a hand drawing techniques. Hence, an animator can now create elaborate scenes such as a flying carpet ride in the Disney's Aladdin in much less time and cost than before. There are also animation films which was made with the help of multimedia technology and its software. So I think you are enjoying my video learning computer with seeing the beautiful sights of Indian village. Now animated advertisement, next application of multimedia. Animated advertisement for sales promotion, companies often advertise their products and services on television. Most TV programs are sponsored by one or more companies, and in turn they get time slots for advertising their products during programs. These advertisements often use computer animation to communicate all usefulness of products or services very effectively. If you carefully watch advertisements for soaps, toothpaste, powders, insecticides, for mosquito and cockroach etc., you will see few scenes in them that are not possible to videograph. Creators of these scenes use computer animation technology. The next use of multimedia is multimedia kiosk. A multimedia kiosk has a touch screen monitor with a user-friendly graphical user interface for each of operation by public. Multimedia kiosk in public places serve as an attended information providers in place of help desk with an attendant. For example, a multimedia kiosk at a city, airport, or railway station or in bank might provide travelers with information on tourist attraction in the city, restaurant and hotels, along with graphic image and maps showing how to get there. Similarly, a kiosk at a large museum might provide visitor with information on what types of displays are in which parts of the museum, and a kiosk at a cosmetic counter in a supermarket might provide customers with information on makeup for particular skin types and color. Organization often use multimedia kiosk for such purpose. Next use is virtual shop and shopping malls. Virtual shops and shopping malls. Today, several organizations host virtual shops on their websites and they offer online shopping facilities for their products and services, and it is known as e-commerce. A virtual shop remains open 24 hours and allows customers to make purchase at time they wish without leaving the comfort of their homes. It uses a server which has a multimedia description of all products on sale in the shop. A customer can obtain online information about a product and can even place order and make credit card payment for it online. The system records the order and the shop owner delivers the product to the customer by courier services. Some organizations use virtual reality technology to extend the concept of virtual shops to virtual shopping malls. A virtual shopping mall presents a virtual shopping street to a customer on his or her computer TV screen with many different types of shops on both sides of the street. Using interactive feature of the system, the customers can enjoy a virtual walk through on the shopping street, enter any shop of his or her choice, have a closer look at the produce in it, make purchase in the shop and then get back on the street, enter another shop and make purchase is there, and so on. Notice that with this facility, a customer sitting in his or her house in India can virtually roam around in a shopping street in America, France or Japan, can make purchases from the shops in that street. Next use of multimedia is multimedia application is multimedia conferencing. Multimedia conferencing, also known as video conferencing, refers to a system that simulates face-to-face interaction among participating users located far apart as if they were sitting and discussing in the same room. The system has a set of high-quality audio-visual equipment consisting of video camera, mic, speaker, and multi-windows display screen at each user location. A high bandwidth network interconnects the equipment at all users' location. The network transmit audio, video, and other data in point to multi-point mode, enabling the user to see and hear each other using the audio visual equipment at their location. Coordination support software coordinates proceeds of the conference and resolves any conflict when multiple users want to communicate simultaneously. Today, many organizations make extensive use of video conferencing facility to cut down the time and cost involved in tabling of multiple members for face-to-face meetings. So these are the useful use of multimedia, and with this I would like to end this lecture here. And before ending, I again want to pray Goddess Saraswati, Om Saraswati Devyai Namah, and with this I end this lecture here.